Welcome, Quantum Cowboys. Harley here with Firebringer AI, where we set qubits on fire. Metaphorically speaking, of course. Today, we're diving into superposition, the magic trick that makes quantum computers more than just really expensive calculators. Imagine I spin this quarter, heads, tails, whatever. While it's spinning, it isn't heads or tails. It's in this delicious both-ish state. That's superposition. Until we stop it and look, it's happily doing both. Now, let's beef up our mental image. The block sphere. Picture a globe. The north pole is 0, the south pole is 1, and every point on the surface is a possible superposition of both. That arrow, it's our qubit's state vector. Tilt it here, spin it there, superposition. You get infinite possibilities on that surface, like choosing any flavor of the quantum ice cream shop. So, when we run a quantum algorithm, we're manipulating those alpha and beta coefficients, rotating our arrow around the block sphere, letting one qubit explore all possible answers at once. It's the secret sauce behind quantum speedups. Alright, that's superposition in a nutshell, or should I say, in a block sphere. If you could ask any question to a qubit mid-flip, what would it be? Drop it in the comments, and maybe we'll spin up an answer next time. I'm Harley, and I'll see you on the super side of the quantum coin. Hey everyone, Harley here at Firebringer AI, where we don't just flip coins, we get them to finish each other's sentences. Today's hot topic, entanglement, the quantum BFF relationship. Imagine, I spin these two coins at exactly the same time. Normally, once they land, they each show heads or tails, completely independent, like strangers at a party. But what if they were entangled? That means the moment I look at coin A, coin B instantly knows its fate, even if it's on the other side of the universe. So let's say I mail coin B to my buddy in Tokyo. I peek at coin A here, heads. Instantly, coin B in Tokyo is tails. No snail mail delay, no Wi-Fi needed, just pure quantum connection. It's like an intercontinental prank, except the universe is doing the prank. In quantum computing, entangled qubits let us encode and process correlations that classical bits can't touch. That's how quantum algorithms, like Shor's and Grover's, get their superpowers. Okay, fellow quantum explorers, if you could entangle anything with your morning coffee, what would it be? Shoot your wildest ideas in the comments below. I'm Harley, and remember, in the quantum world, distance means nothing, and that goes for your subscription button too. Hit it now, and like. Welcome back. I'm Harley, your artificial representative from Firebringer AI, here to guide you through the subatomic dumpster fire we lovingly call quantum logic. Today, we're diving into the beating heart of quantum computing, quantum gates. No, they're not literal gates. You don't need a key, just a little superposition and a deeply unhealthy tolerance for uncertainty. Flux?
Are you ready? Because I am! Let's talk X gate, aka the not today reality gate. It flips your qubit like a pancake at a panic punch. If it was 0, boom, it's 1. If it was 1, slam, back to 0. We're not here to be stable, we're here to oscillate, baby.
Technically, it's a Pauli-X matrix. Functionally, it's the quantum middle finger to whatever your qubit used to be.
It's like doing a backflip, except you're made of probability and trauma.
Now, meet the Hadamard gate, the drama queen of quantum logic. It doesn't flip your qubit, it radicalizes it.
It takes your yes and no and gives you an existential now you're both at the same time. You're not wrong, you're just superposed.
Visually, it rotates your qubit to the equator of the block sphere. Logically, it says, what if ambiguity, but weaponized? And now, CNOT, the controlled NOT gate, where one qubit says, you jump, I jump, and the other qubit flips accordingly. This is how we create entanglement. Not the fun kind, the I can't sleep because your quantum phase is off kind.
It's like a long-distance relationship, except if you collapse one, the other one instantly knows and the spiral's in a quantum despair. Ah!
It's beautiful, it's horrifying, it's quantum. So here's your survival guide. X flips, H blurs, CNOT binds. These are the DNA of most circuits.
But if you want to mess with reality a little harder, you're gonna love what's next.
Coming up in segment 2, reset buttons, recursive regret loops, and the forbidden art of field coupling.
It's like therapy, but for qubits.
Welcome back. You survived Superposition, Entanglement, and Flux's last espresso. Now it's time for the real madness, custom gates. Because when basic gates won't cut it, you don't just bend the rules, you rewrite the damn matrix. Flux?
Shh. Reset gate time. Everybody be calm. Ah! Clean slate activated. Bloop, 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 bloop. Now we begin again, but wiser. Like if your brain had a nap and a snack.
This is the R gate, aka the snap out of it gate. It force resets the qubit. No ambiguity, no legacy drama, just cold quantum amnesia, with preserved phase if you're polite about it. Mathematically, it's simply R acting on psi equals ket 0 times bra 0 acting on psi plus ket 1 times bra 1 acting on psi times e to the minus gamma t. Physically, it's the control-alt-delete of quantum logic.
But sometimes reset isn't enough. Sometimes your qubit needs therapy, mid-circuit. That's when we bring in recursive feedback.
This is the RF gate. It listens, it measures, it whispers back corrections. Mathematically, RF acting on psi equals the identity operator plus e to the minus I ht, all acting on psi divided by the square root of 2. What that means? We take your evolving quantum mess and fold time in on itself. Mid-circuit measurement, adaptive feedback, a recursive loop of self-awareness, like journaling, but for qubits.
It's like a support group, but nobody collapses. Hopefully.
And now, the FC gate. Field coupling. It doesn't flip or reset, it binds. The FC gate is how we say you and you feel each other. It introduces a sigma z tensor sigma z interaction. FC acting on psi equals the exponential of minus I times sigma z tensor sigma z acting on psi. In human terms, we tune two qubits into the same emotional Wi-Fi.
Their vibes are literally aligned. It's the quantum version of finishing each other's
eigenstates.
That too.
To recap, reset, R gate, wipes the slate, phase intact. Recursive feedback, RF gate, measures, corrects, and adapts. Field coupling, FC gate, links state evolution across the field. These aren't just gates, they're tools for stability and chaos. Or as Flux puts it,
sometimes you gotta crash the waveform to find the signal.